Welcome to the coolest pirate ship in the world. On this ship, the whole crew has a mega mission. Learn English while we sail the seas. Today, our mission is clear. Look, we have a map and a treasure we must find. But how can we do it? Yes, see, there's a first chest opening with a challenge we need to solve. Who does she have breakfast with? Who does she have breakfast with? And the answer is she has breakfast with her mom. Okay, so you're giving me the answer. But look, the words with her mom are not very clear. And I think we must find them in the island. But how? Let's use the nautical telescope. Great! It has a beautiful and powerful zoom that we're going to use and see if in the island we find the words. Come on, let's use it. Oh, the zoom is working very well. And the island looks beautiful. Palm trees, rocks, bushes. But can you see the words with her mom? Something's moving over there. Look at that tiny cockroach. Yes, it's carrying the words. Yeah, we got them. And look, the map. The chest opened and we got a magic crystal. And now we can move forward. Okay, second challenge. Let's do it. The question is, who do they have breakfast with? Who do they have breakfast with? And the answer is they have breakfast with their grandpas. Nice! I love spending time with my grandparents. Let's look where these words are in the island. Come on, where are those words? I think we can have a look at the top of the mountains. Let's zoom in. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. That seems like, yeah, it's getting cold for sure. And there is so much fog. Can you see anything? I just see mountain peaks. Hey! There we go! Oh, no. It's starting to rain. It's getting tricky. Thunders and everything. Oh, that lightning, yes, illuminated the peak of that smaller mountain. And do you see it? Looks like they are there. A bit more zoom. Yeah, they're there with their grandpas. Great, we've got them. And again, another beautiful stone and a third chest appears. We are very close to the treasure. Let's see the next challenge. Where does she have dinner? Where does she have dinner? And the answer is she has dinner in the living room. Okay? So the words we need to find in the living room are where? Okay, let's do a bit of zoom. Near those palm trees. Nice. There is a cave and rocks and even some animals. Beautiful. But can you see the words in the living room? Where are they in the living room? Look at the monkeys! They've got them! Thank you, monkeys! And again, we got a third beautiful stone and the revelation of where the treasure is. Yes, we are almost there.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello, my loves. Let's keep learning about basic questions. Remember that to ask basic questions, usually we use these words to start the question, such as what, how, or where. And here we have different questions that are incomplete. We need to write down in here what is the right word, okay? So let's start reading. Is his favorite food? Okay, so let's listen to the 3 different options and choose the best one. What is his favorite food? How is his favorite food? Where is his favorite food? The 3 are fine, but I'm pretty sure that we are getting to know the person, let's just write what. Okay, what, that is the most common question to ask. What is oops, his favorite food? And if you want, you can take a marker like this and you just paint it, okay? What is his favorite food? His favorite food might be bananas or pizza, okay? Then, what are you from? No, this doesn't sound good. How are you from? No, it doesn't sound good. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Spain. I am from China. I am from London. Okay, so where are you from? And again, you make the letters such as this ones, you make them big and thick, and then you paint the inside the way you want, okay? Just the way you want. I'm going to go for pair letters with a pink color, and then I'm going to go for the pair letters with green. Great. Now, okay, here we missed something. What's your favorite color? How's your favorite color? Or where's your favorite color? Where makes sense. Where is it? Where is it? Okay? But let's just pick what, because that is the most common question to hear. What is your favorite color? What is? Okay, we need to write is. What is your favorite color? And now let me just take the red color, and again I'll paint the inside W, A, and I from is in red, and then I'll paint with purple H, T, and S. Well done. Now let's go for another. Let's go for another question. What is she feeling today? Yeah, it kind of makes sense. Where is she feeling today? No, this doesn't work here. How is she feeling today? How are you feeling? I am happy, I am sad. How is she feeling? This is the most appropriate. So let's just write the letters H, O, and W. Great! And now again, I'll go for, so let's keep painting. We go for the H and W, okay? And as I did in here, I'll grab the green marker to paint the letter O. Beautiful! The last one. What does she have for dinner? Okay, this sounds good. How does she have for dinner? Or where does she have dinner? I think that, wait a second, where is the right one? Where does she have dinner? Yes, because if we put what does she have for dinner? We will miss one word. So the correct one is where. Where does she have dinner? Maybe she has dinner in the living room or in the kitchen, okay? Or maybe she has dinner in a park with a sandwich, yes? So where, the location. And now I'll paint the pair letters in orange, W, E, and double this second E as well. And then I'll go for the blue to paint the in pairs. This H and these R. Great. And then what? We have this beautiful island. We did the exercise quite good, people. Now it's time to paint the picture. So here you can do as you wish. You can paint the coins of the treasure in an orange or yellow color, like this. Then the lock, I'm going to paint the lock of the treasure and like the money inside with yellow. And the chest, the treasure chest, it's going to be like red and maybe brown. I think that I'll go for those two colors, like this. Super. And then let me just paint the last part. Great. Now I'll go for the trees, the palm trees of this beautiful island, and I'll paint them in a green color. Beautiful. Super, super beautiful. Great. And then let's go for, yeah, this, let's better use the brown one for the trunk of the tree. And I'll do two different browns, like a darker and a lighter one. And what about the sand? The sand is kind of yellow because we are in an island. So I'll paint it like this. Let me just paint the start with this beautiful pinky purple. And finally, let's go for the blue ocean surrounding the island. Well done, guys. Great job.